Putting off your pool remodel? You're not alone, but here's the hard truth. We've seen homeowners learn the painful way. Material costs have skyrocketed since COVID. Waiting just one more season often means paying thousands more for plaster, tile, and coping. Small cracks and leaks? They don't stay small. Delay turns minor repairs into full structural overhauls. Outdated systems drive up energy bills month after month, costs that add up far faster than most realize. If you've been telling yourself, next year, this is the year to finally act. Adams Pool Solutions has been remodeling pools since 1953, helping California and Nevada homeowners transform old, inefficient pools into beautiful retreats. Our experience means you'll get it done right, with high-quality workmanship, and without those hidden surprises that procrastination always brings. Don't let today's hesitation become tomorrow's regret. See why thousands trust Adams Pool Solutions for pool remodels every year. Learn more at adamspools.com.